Hey everybody, what's going on? I've been doing a little research about turmeric. Turmeric. Turmeric seems to be one of the healthiest foods, one of the healthiest spices, one of them, that you can come across. Every home should have a little bit of turmeric in it. So in this video, unless you're allergic, if you're allergic, don't have turmeric in your home, or whatever. But in this video, we're gonna ask ChatGPT about this magical spice. I just took turmeric, so I'm choking a lot. About this magical spice. So tell me about turmeric. Let's close these out here. Turmeric is a spice that comes from the root of the curcuma plant, curcuma longa, which is native to South Asia. And I just bought some turmeric. You know what? Give me a second. I'm going to show you guys some turmeric here. I just bought some of this. How about this? Let me give it a bigger. The bigger view. The bigger view. So, this is turmeric, and this is 100 grams. You can see that's a big chunk. This cost me here $2.50 for this, because we're in Southeast Asia, so it's a little cheaper for things like turmeric. But you can put, I'm drinking a little bit in my coffee here. Yeah, very good. It's very good. It doesn't really taste, it doesn't taste too bad. It'll stain your hands, though, for like days on days. So turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, believed to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its yellow color, and it's also the primary active ingredient responsible for health benefits associated with the turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years, in addition to medicine, as natural remedy for a variety of health conditions, including inflammation, digestive, skin issues. Modern research has suggested that curcumin may also have potential benefits for reducing the risk of certain chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Turmeric is especially available in powdered form, and it's commonly used in curry powders, spice blends, and as a coloring agent in foods. It can be consumed as a supplement, generally considered safe, has side effects. So it's a good idea to speak with your healthcare provider before taking any supplement or making any significant changes to your diet. Good. So, take another sip of coffee there. So there's the turmeric. Let me see. So here's the thing about these spices. The thing is, there is no profit incentive to conduct studies on things like turmeric. In fact, there's actually a negative profit incentive, as in, what are you gonna do? You know, with a drug, you know, you can create this drug and do research on it and patent it and move it through the FDA process, and you get a premium for your work. But there's no reason to do research on this other than like to help humanity, right? So this is like one of the misalignment, unfortunately, of incentives in in medicine or in science in general, is that for the things that are free, you'll never get concrete, double blind. Well, maybe you will sometimes, but usually you won't get, in less frequency, you'll get, double blind studies and stuff like that. So you have to kind of do your own research. So maybe I could say, can you cite some research and summarize that research about what's it called, turmeric and its benefits? Sure. Here are a few examples of research studies on potential health benefits. Chronic inflammation has been linked to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Several studies have suggested that curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may help reduce inflammation in the body. For example, a review of 13 randomized controlled trials found that curcumin was effective at reducing markers for inflammation in people with conditions such as osteoarthritis and metabolic syndrome. Wow, it's 2018. Brain health. Some studies have suggested that curcumin may have neuroprotective effects and could potentially help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Heart health. Studies have suggested that curcumin may have cardioprotective effects, including reducing the risk of heart disease. For example, one randomized controlled trial found that taking a daily supplement containing 1 gram of curcumin for 8 weeks was associated with significant improvements in markers of heart health, including blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Wow, that's fantastic. It's worth noting that while these studies suggest that turmeric may have potential benefits, more research is needed to confirm these. Okay, so let me see this. So here's the problem with these studies. It's like take a gram of turmeric every day. Is it the turmeric, or is it you just put this person into the first routine they've had in 6 months, and they're like, maybe they didn't go out and drink that night because they're in a study. You know what I'm saying? So like these studies are tough, man. You have to have huge sample size, and even then, the fact that you might be introducing someone into any type of routine, may have quite a profound effect on their other behaviors. It's so difficult. Studies are they're so good in principle, but in practice they to isolate one variable, it's like, dude, there's a million variables in everything you do. It's like I'm just sitting here, it's like the amount of sunlight coming in is variable, the air quality is variable, the sound of my computer is variable. I got another phone pointing out here. What about the Wi-Fi sound? What about what time I woke up? There's infinite amount of variables. So maybe is there any sports improvements? So does turmeric have any studies to back sports performance enhancement? One small study published in the Journal of International Society of Sports Nutrition in 2014 found that a supplement containing curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, improved muscle damage and muscle soreness after exercise in a healthy way. That was probably funded by Big Turmeric. Another you probably haven't heard about it. Another study published in the same journal in 2015 found that curcumin supplement improved aerobic exercise performance in a small group of trained cyclists. Wow. However, other studies have found less consistent or more modest effects. For example, a study published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology in 2017 found that while curcumin supplementation improved muscle soreness and muscle damage after eccentric exercise in a group of untrained women, it didn't have a significant effect for muscle strength or power. We're not going to go there. Overall, preliminary evidence suggests that turmeric or curcumin may have the benefits for sports performance. Interesting. Anyway, guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah. I like turmeric. I'm going to keep using it. In fact, I just did a blood test, and I might do that blood test again in 3 months. I'll supplement turmeric every day, and we can see, where my blood tests go. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.